Did it now. Morning. Just about got to the point where the lens isn't fogging up, so you can probably see us. Just had some breakfast. We're off to Blizzard Beach today, so we're walking to the car. We're going to drive up because you've got to swap buses. So I think you've got to get Disney Springs and swap a bus. We're not quite sure how I'm going to be there, and well, we've got free parking anyway. We've got a car full of petrol, so might as well use it.
He's worrying about Rook and Matthew.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to get somewhere near us Thursday or Friday. It's moved a bit later. It's supposed to be Wednesday or Thursday, now it's Thursday or Friday. So pretty much see how that's going to affect us, if it's going to affect us at all. I guess it's going to be a while away from the coast, so I think we're just going to get some bad weather for a day or so.
We're meant to be flying home on Friday and things, so who knows?
Yeah, and again for a flight, Sunday looks alright because it's Sunday, should be past. And
but we won't know until I get an email or a phone call from Tom.
I guess we'll get a longer flight home because we'll be flying around the worst of the storm if anything, but we can live with that. Cool, so we're going to go find the car because I think we're going the wrong way. See you all soon. So just here at Blizzard Beach, relatively easy drive actually. Just nearly drove over a snake in the road.
That's scary.
Our end didn't see it, but you know, she can't see it a lot. So just inside. Mosquito repellent. Yeah, that's a fair point. So we are going to drop all the stuff off. I think we have to get a locker. I can't remember what the deal with that is. I think you have to pay for it, but I can't quite remember. And then we're going to switch to the GoPro, which is hopefully going to work. I've had some problems with it in the past. So we'll see. You might see some fun water slides and things. Might not. I don't know. Cool. See you soon. Put the camera away. So if we record on the GoPro, this has got something like my face on it. The problem we get is it says no SD card and then it just loses stuff. So we're going to go. We are here. Okay, we'll go do that first and then we'll see about the slides afterwards. Tube and go down something. It's the only one around here, so we're going to go do that first. Go for a walk. she went further than me, and I went pretty far. Only just, but you know, it's a good slide that is. Obviously, do not want twists and turns. We'll go and do some chilling out now. Do you want to get away from it or something? Yeah. We should really get the chair lift.
Yeah.
I think it's a terrible idea because I hate things like this in cable cars. A bit of fun in the way for a little while, chill out a bit, stop walking.
Yeah.
Been there a good couple of hours. It's just pushing 2 o'clock, so we're going to go back, get a shower, head to Disney Springs. Yeah, see Culture House of Blues. Got a table booked for some food just before 4 o'clock. We might go Disney Quest. We might push it for time. Depends on the buses from the Pop Century. So we go, eh? Yeah, it doesn't look a bad time to be leaving because there's some big old storm clouds over there, and it's right bang on time, 10 to 2. If we're really lucky, to rain and chuck you down while we're back in the hotel having a shower and getting changed and get ready to go for the bus. Yeah, that's a big old cloud. suppose you're kind of used to it though. It's just what happens out here, isn't it? Let's find the car. I think we're on one of these roads. Parked next to two of the cars that look exactly the same as ours.
Okay, so we've just been swimming, got in the car, drove up the road, and look at it!
Yeah, as it turns out, that massive black cloud I think is right on top of Bob Central.
It is chucking it down. This is the thing about Florida weather. 1 minute it's scorching, I'll scorch you! Next minute it's chucking it down.
We're trapped. Trapped in the car in the car park, but I'm not walking back to the river. This is terrible.
No.
It'll be wetter than the women in that lazy river.
Terrible. Look how flooded the car park is. It's like a river.
Yeah,
it's actually not.
I've got a whole puddle in it. Let's show security some idea and whatnot, and literally the car got soaked for like 50 seconds and the window was open. It's been done in a second.
Looks a bit brighter that way.
Yeah. At least we went to that park today. In the queue for something fun outside. We're doing a proper showcase.
No! Quick, get the 3 caballeros!
Yeah. Oh look, it's now on queue for it. No more.
This is Ariane, sporting the essential wear for every gig at House of Blues, a sexy poncho. It's still raining, we might have had a shower. I guess this is to be expected, to be honest. That storm it looks pretty big. You can't see anything now, we've gone to 80s soft focus music video mode with the camera. Yeah, we're
same as my glasses, I can see
yeah,
just
probably.
like a little bit in the
yeah, I know, I think we completely lost everything. Alright, we're going to go catch a bus. We'll be back to you when I can see something in the camera.